Are you ready to transform your digital marketing game and skyrocket your business growth? Welcome to Digital Manzoor, your ultimate destination for proven performance marketing strategies, AI-powered tools, and actionable insights that deliver real results. Whether you're a marketer, freelancer, or business owner, here you'll discover how to optimize your campaigns, automate your processes, and boost your ROI with expert guidance backed by over 10 years of experience. Stick around as we dive deep into the latest trends, tools, and tactics that will help you scale smarter and faster. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Digital Manzoor for weekly tips on digital marketing, AI tools, and business growth strategies. Got questions or want to share your success story? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And if you're ready to take your marketing to the next level, check out the links in the description for exclusive courses, checklists, and tools designed to help you win big in 2025. Until next time, keep optimizing, keep growing, and stay ahead of the curve with Digital Manzoor.